Let's talk about tire repair kits and why these are crucial to have. Number 1. Emergency preparedness. You can't plan when you get a flat, and when it happens you can toss your current destination out the window until it's fixed. Not everybody has a spare tire either. Number 2. Peace of mind. Simply put, it's really nice to know that you can fix a flat if needed. As an off-roader, you know you can be in some really bad situations when this happens. Number 3. No tow required. As pretty much everybody knows, tow services are not cheap. If you can fix your own, you stand to save a lot of money. To be honest, that makes this kind of an investment. A really affordable one at that. But you will need to learn to use it, and we're here to tell you it's pretty easy. Yes, it requires a little bit of strength, but we're pretty sure that anyone is capable of doing it. The only thing we do not recommend is repair on sidewalls. Number 5. Providing assistance. These tire repair kits come with enough supplies for multiple usages, so if you're prepared and know how to use your kit, it can be a real asset to your off-road buddies and maybe other motorists you meet around town. Just not the sketchy one. He says his tire's flat, but I don't even think his car runs. Yeah, don't help him. Help everybody else though.